Most guys think their calisthenics progress is stuck at the pull-up or the push-up. In reality, it's stuck because your neck is missing in action. You grind push-ups, you master pull-ups, you work on levers and handstands, but the neck nowhere in your program. And that neglect creates a serious imbalance. Stop looking like a light bulb on a stick. Today, we fix that. We're building a thick, strong, functional music neck using only calisthenics. A snort-strong neck is a game-changer. It's the final piece of an aesthetic physique. Music, but it's not just about looks. If you get stiff necks, headaches, or your posture crumbles by the end of the day, your foundation is failing. Your neck is the music kinetic bridge for your entire body. And the best part, because it's so undertrained, it responds fast. You can see a difference in just a few weeks. Before you start nodding your head like a maniac, you need to understand its job. Your neck isn't one muscle. It's a complex system designed to move in 3 main directions. If you want a neck that's not just big but functional, you have to train all 3. 1. Flexion. This is the chin to chest motion. Think of these as the armor plating for your neck. They give you that thick, ropey, powerful look, but their real job is to anchor your head. 2. Extension. This is the look at the ceiling motion. These are your posture muscles. They keep your head aligned and your spine safe under load. 3. Lateral flexion. This is the air toss shoulder tilt. This is what gives you width and 360-degree stability. We're going to hit all 3. And quick question before we start. Why are you here? Are you training your neck for size, for strength, or music to fix pain? Drop a one-word comment below. I read them all. Alright, let's get to work. But first, do not skip this. Your neck is sensitive. If you jump into these exercises cold, you're begging for a strain or a headache. Start with 1 to 2 minutes of gentle dynamic movements. Slow yes nods, slow no rotations, slow ear toss shoulder tilts. Get the blood moving. Wake up the muscles. Now you're ready to train. The isometric neck curl. This is the safest, most effective way to build the front of music your neck without equipment. We're using isometric tension. How to do it? Lie flat on your back, knees bent, feet on the floor. First, gently tuck your chin like you're trying to make a double chin. Music. This activates the deep flexors. Now, place your hands on your forehead. Gently begin to curl your chin further toward your chest. As you do, use your hands to provide equal music and opposite resistance. Your head should not move. You are pushing your head into your hands and your hands into your head. Hold that tension music for 10 seconds. Squeeze slowly. Relax. That's 1 rep. Pro tier. Once 10-second holds feel easy, increase to 15 or 20 seconds. The routine, 3 sets of 10-second holds. The pro neck extension. This exercise isolates the extensors, the muscles that build that thick, powerful support at the back of your neck with 0 spinal compression. How to do it? Lie face down on the floor. Place your hands by your sides or behind your back. From here, slowly lift your head and chest just a few inches off the floor. Music, think about looking forward and up, leading with your chest. Pause at the top for 2 seconds. Feel the muscles along your spine and the back of your neck contract. Slowly lower your forehead back to the floor. Pro tier. Once 15 reps are clean, add a 3SE second on hold at the top of every rep. The routine, 3 sets of 10 to 15 music reps. The sidelining neck raise. This is the key to building the width of your neck and bulletproofing it from side to side. Instability. How to do it? Lie on your side, body music perfectly straight. You can support your head with your bottom arm bent at the elbow. Your top hand can be on your hip or on the floor for balance. Now remove your bottom arm and hold your head up parallel to the floor. This is your starting position. From here, slowly lower your ear down toward your bottom shoulder, feeling a stretch. Then use the muscles on the side of your neck to pull your head back up to music, that parallel start position. This is a small controlled movement, pro tier. Once 12 reps are easy, add a 2-second pause at the top. The routine, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per side. Hit this routine 2 to 3 times per week at the end of your main workout. Music, listen to your body. Your neck muscles are small and can recover quickly, but they also need rest. So, music, that's your neck blueprint. Use it and you'll build real strength where most people stay weak. But here's the thing, 99% of guys are still training their shoulders wrong. Click here and I'll show you exactly how music to fix it. Most guys think their calisthenics progress is stuck at the pull-up or the push-up. In reality, the problem isn't your arms or back, it's your neck. You grind out push-ups, dominate pull-ups, and even nail levers and handstands, yet your neck remains invisible in your routine. This neglect creates a serious imbalance that's more noticeable than you think. You may have a strong torso and arms, but without a properly trained neck, you risk looking like a light bulb on a stick. Today, we fix that. we're going to build a thick, strong, functional neck using only calisthenics. No machines, no heavy weights, just smart training. A strong neck isn't just about aesthetics. Sure, it completes that V-taper and gives you that alpha look, but it also plays a crucial role in health and performance. If you suffer from stiff necks, tension headaches, or poor posture, by the end of the day, your foundation is failing. Your neck is essentially the kinetic bridge that connects your head to your torso, allowing force to transfer efficiently throughout your body. Neglecting it compromises not only appearance, but movement, stability, and even safety during more advanced exercises. The good news is that because the neck is often undertrained, it responds rapidly. Visible changes and strength improvements can happen in just a few weeks if you train consistently and intelligently. But before you start aggressively nodding or shaking your head, you need to understand its anatomy and function. The neck isn't a single muscle, it's a complex system with multiple muscles working together to allow movement in three main directions: flexion, extension, and lateral flexion. To build a neck that's both big and functional, you need to target all three. Flexion is the chin to chest movement. These muscles form the armor plating of your neck, giving it that ropey, powerful appearance. But their true purpose is anchoring your head safely, protecting your cervical spine, and assisting in any movement that involves pulling or bending forward. The deep flexors also help prevent forward head posture, which is one of the most common postural problems today. Extension is the backward tilt, which keeps your head aligned over your spine and maintains stability under load. If you've ever suffered from a stiff upper back, tension headaches, or weak posture during push-ups and pull-ups, these muscles were probably neglected. Strong extensors improve posture, help prevent injuries, and support your spine during dynamic lifts. Lateral flexion is the side-bending motion. Training this direction builds width in your neck and strengthens lateral stability, which is critical for rotational movements sports perform. Ants and general neck durability. Neglecting lateral flexion can leave your neck vulnerable to strains from twisting, turning, or sudden impacts. Before jumping into exercises, always ask yourself why you are training your neck. Are you building size, strength, or fixing pain? Your goal will influence intensity and frequency. Always start with a warm-up. Your neck is delicate, so skipping warm-ups is a fast track to strains or headaches. Spend 1 to 2 minutes on slow, controlled dynamic movements, gentle yes nods, no rotations, and ear-to-shoulder tilts. Focus on feeling the muscles awaken, blood flow increase, and mobility improve. The isometric neck curl is the safest, most effective way to strengthen the front of your neck without any equipment. Using isometric tension, you activate the deep flexors while protecting your cervical spine. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet on the floor. Gently tuck your chin, as if creating a double chin, activating the deep flexors. Place your hands on your forehead, and push your head into your hands while your hands push back. The head doesn't move, only tension is applied. Hold for 10 seconds, then relax. Start with 10-second holds, then extend to 15 or 20 seconds as you get stronger. Perform 3 sets per session. This exercise not only builds visible thickness but also stabilizes the cervical spine for all other movements. The Pro Neck Extension targets the extensors to build that thick supportive structure at the rear of your neck. These muscles are crucial for posture and spine protection during dynamic exercises like pull-ups and handstands. Lie face down, hands by your sides or behind your back. Slowly lift your head and chest a few inches, leading with your chest. Pause at the top for 2 seconds, then lower slowly. Add a 2 to 3 second hold at the top for added tension once 15 reps feel EAs. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. The sideline neck raise isolates the side muscles, improving neck width and lateral stability, which is often overlooked. Lie on your side, body straight. Support your head lightly with the bottom arm. Then remove support and hold your head parallel to the floor. Slowly lower your ear toward your shoulder, then raise back to parallel. Small, controlled movements are key. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per side, adding a 2-second pause at the top for progression. Train this routine 2 to 3 times per week, ideally at the end of your main workout. The neck muscles recover quickly, but rest is essential to avoid overtraining.